Good morning. So let's get started with trading. Wednesday, November 25th, a day before the market closes. So the stock that is moving right now is MTC and YJ. They're gappers. Earlier, I tried to enter YJ around here. Why did I try to enter around here? Because I recognize that it's an ABC. And it could potentially make its way all the way to like 660. But when I was entering around here, my risk would have been like at the 97, 96. My entry was I was trying to enter at 604, but um it already moved on, so I basically stopped. I didn't chase it or anything like that. And I was only willing to risk like 10 cents on it. It moved like 40 cents. So it has a nice move. ABCD setups. And now I would not want to be in there. Why? Because it's downtrending right now. NTC, another one. It was following an uptrend. Um, I saw it down here, like in the 90s. Once again, tried to enter, but eh, it wasn't. I wasn't too confident in it. I didn't want to like buy at the break of two or or the pullback since I wasn't too confident. I basically let it go. It went all the way to 220s. Very nice. Right now, some making a making a dip. So we'll see if it can make a higher low next. That could be a signal for me to enter. It was a very nice uptrend. Okay, bouncing around 6. Let's check IDEX. So I'm looking for a morning panic on this one. It's the first red day, so a lot of shorts. We'll see. Another one with FSL. I'm looking forward to it coming down to like the 60s. It'd be very nice if it could drop to the 60s like in one swoop at the open. ACB. Didn't like that it's a descending triangle. Let's check DPW. Looking like descending triangle. Mara. Not sure. SNDL. I lost 2 times on this one yesterday. So as I was saying, I was looking forward to a higher low setups on this one. It is bouncing on VWAP around the $2 area. I would like for it to like dip back to like the 170s, maybe a panic to the 150s, 160s around here, this level. It's currently in a downtrend. What was the news on this one? So positive coronavirus news. Let's check AMPC. Wow, something to watch. It's a first green day. It did. mm, I don't like it. It has a bunch of histories of one and done. There hasn't been a history of continuation, so it has history of one and done. That's why I did not like it. I would not want to be in this one for a breakout. I'd like to see a morning panic. Hopes 680 will hold. Okay, it's making a bear flag right now. MTC is making a bear flag. We'll see. It has already dropped like 10%, so 10 to 20% based on how based on how you look at it. YJ, it is look like it's holding the $6 area. We'll see. Again, NAPC is going higher. That's a positive sign. It's too large for me though. MTC, okay, it's dropping. It has dropped below too. The lower it dipped, the better for a dip buy. I'm just not sure how low it can go, but it could potentially hold 174. Potentials. If not, then we'll check 158 to 160. Can it make it higher or low? Can YJ make it higher or low? AMPC. I might just be watching AMPC, not trade it. Since it's has a history of one and done. Pre-market mover, all these fail. MTC, let's check. It has a history of multi-day runner. I really like this move. So maybe potentials to make a similar move, maybe. Hmm. Look like it's holding 195. Potential head and shoulder, maybe. There is a supports here in the 190 area. Is it going to be something different? Because previously, you can see that it's basically a lower low, lower lows, lower lows. I want to see a higher lows, a break of the trend. If I'm entering on the next higher lows, my risk would be 190 or 188, 188 to 189. That would be my risk. My goal is to make a 1 to 3 risk reward, but I'm willing to start taking profits at 2. Not like 2 here, but like at 2 hours. Just to lock in the profits or lock in the gains. Okay, this is something. Let's hope that it's not like this move right here. I would be more comfortable with 50 shares here. Okay. This could be a sign that the momentum has shifted. I'm risking 198. I'm blocking selling 5 shares here because there's like resistance at 209 to 10. Just to lock in the gains. Holding on to 80%. Now can I make a higher low in which I can add to my position? However, I will not be adding to my position. Still, my risk is 198. Potential of higher lows. Remember, this is on the back side. Can $2 hold? Can I make it higher low? Maybe a potential ABCD. Potential ABC, maybe? Add, I would have added here. For a potential ABC move. Not on this squeeze though. I would have liked to add like in the low twos, risking 190. Because this is in ABC. D is up here. Can I move higher? Hmm. It is tapping at 206, 207. Nope. That's what I like to see. The squeeze. Can I break 210? Resistance at 210. Look like 210 is breaking. Maybe. Okay, 210 has broken. Now it's 211, 213. Two 12 resistance. I might just get out if 196 break. Because it'll be a sign that it's a lower low. So yeah. I want to see it make constant higher lows. Can it break 210? So if it did a fake out here, 213, it is basing around 206, but we will see. My risk this time is 196, so pretty much around break even. 2 cent risk right now. Check it. MPC, it's down. YJ, choppy. It is trading in a MTC right now is looking like it's trading in a trend. 210 broke again. Can it break 213? 213, possible break. Let's take it. 2 shares test. Okay. This time 217. This right here would be a 2-1 right now. I wanted to risk reward. Okay, I see it break it to 18. Okay. Okay, I see it break it to 19. So 40% of my shares now. Holding it to 60%. Looking for a move to 230. Did a little pullback there. Let us see. Can I see 220 break? It is struggling around there right now. Momentum is still strong. But the 228 is an area to look out for. Ooh, this would have been a move that would have scared me out. Hmm. It's taking quite the time to actually sell at 220, even with a small shares. Is it topping around there? Double top maybe? Or is this like a descending triangle? Okay, I see a squeeze out of 220. 12 minutes until the open. I might just sell if 208 break because of the break of the trend. That's a place that people are looking at right now. The market would be closed tomorrow because of Thanksgiving. And I believe Friday too. Okay, it's holding the 210 support. Looking like it, but it might break it. 210 was the previous resistance. Hopes that it could become a support. Nine minutes till the open. So close to the high too, so what I want to see is a squeeze at the open. Not a squeeze, another flush. I want to see a squeeze at the open. But potentially, I hope to sell like 8 shares before the open and then holding only 20 shares. Minimizing my profits, but also minimizing my risk. Can it break 220? So far, I've been taking profits, as you can see. On this move up. This area right here would have been a great add because it is a higher low with a lower high. So basically it's like an ABC signal right there. ABC. So ABC in this area right here would have been a great add. Okay, this is faster than last time. Is it going to be a big squeeze? 23, 24. Okay, I have sold at 24. How about 25? Can I see 25? That was a quick move. I sold 29. The 30, how about that? Okay, 31. I'm holding on to 19 shares right now. Can I see a move to the 40? Let's sell 2 shares at 39. Okay, I sold 2 shares at 39. How about 40? Can it move 40? $38. 39, 40. 39. Okay. Can I see 40? I'm seeing 40. 41. How about 41? I'm holding 14 shares right now. Selling 1 shares at 34. So 41, 42, 43. Can it move higher? Can it move higher? 43. Okay. 45. It has reached 45. Can it move higher? Yes, it can. Can I see 50 or 49? 2 minutes till the open. I'm holding on to 11 shares right now. Selling 1 at 43. Can I see 45 break? Can it move higher? Yes, it can. Can I see 45 break? 46. Okay, the high is 47.48. I'm holding it to 8 shares. 8 shares to the open. Let us see. Can it move higher? Can I see 49? Holding to 7 shares. Can I see 49? I see 49. And this is what happened yesterday. I'm holding it to 5 shares. Let's see how much does this 5 shares will drop. Holding on to 4 shares at the open. Can it move back to the 50s and 60s? Yes, it can. 65, 67. Okay, that's good. That's a good sign. Can I see 80? Let us sell into the 60s. Nope. I'm holding on to 3 shares. Just hope it doesn't come back down under 30. And I'm out at 28. Let's see what's my average. So basically, 25. It's fine. I left some on the table, but it could be said that I took the meat at the move. I was in the whole way, so it's fine. A bunch of sell executions though. Currently at 26. I'm just gonna export this. This will be my trade of the day. November 25th, 2020. Green Day. Conservative, selling into strength. Small gains, but yeah, I'm happy with it. It's not a 150 risk. Is it 150 risk reward? It's around there. It's like 2 point something. It's around there. Let's check IDEX. Ooh. This was the morning panic I was looking for. Quick spike. MPC. I don't like it. YJ. No, this is what I'm talking about. Morning panic. It has crack it, but F cell. Nice move. Nice 10 70 cents a share. 10% move. So basically, my trades here was like 2 hours, around 2 to 3 hours. Let's see. What could I have done better? Well, I could have added here. Earlier, I did try to add here, but wasn't too comfortable with adding, so just left it. It was a winner though. I could have added to like the dips. In others, I could have held onto here because it did move higher to the 50s. Could have sold all of my shares in the 50s. We could, we might be, well, it could potentially be an ABCD here. Potentials. It has the potentials. So this is A, B. So can it get back to like the 26, but a higher low? The low is 55. If I'm gonna trade, I'll be risking like the low 20s right now. I will not be entering the 40s though. I would like to enter like in the 30s. Like low to mid 30s. It's currently downtrending. That's what it looked like it. Like the overall chart is uptrend though. The overall chart is in an uptrend. One thing for sure, I didn't maximize my profit, but selling into strength, taking my profits along the way. And it was almost my goal too. My goal was a 1 to 2 risk reward. It let me experience all this moves though. So that's something that's good. So there are many dip buying opportunities on this uptrend. Here's one, here's one, here's one, and now here's another one. It's moving higher. That's a positive sign. I could have hold. Could have hold. But it's a nice move. And it's something to watch for. Maybe I could have been a bit more aggressive on this move. A bit more aggressive. Maybe. Just maybe. But that's alright. Is it going to be a lower low? A lower high? Looking like it. Looking like a lower high, but it could just be like a tiny pullback and then a rip. Potential rip. Potentials. No, I just need to take pictures. Take a picture of my trades. So it's going higher. That's what it look like. So yeah, it just made a double top. November 25th, 2020. MTC trade. Green MTC. Um, NTC green. So it looked like it just made a double top. But we'll see. Could potentially come back up though. If I were to trade it, I would not buy it up here. I'll wait for it to be close to like the 25 area. Like I said, I would like to buy like to risk only 10 cents. So the mid to low 30s or the high 20s. Those are the area that I would like to buy. Unless it's stated otherwise. Very nice move here. Very nice 5%. F sell. Ooh. Nice red to green move. Nice red to green move. YJ. Hey. We'll see. It's a ugh. It's an ugly move because it's constantly getting halted. It is a more people are selling like panicking at the open here. There are panic at the open, so potentially there might be a potential move like for a quick spike, but it just has too many hold. I don't want to get stuck in a hold. Okay, this is constant higher lows. It's trading in a trend right now. Potential break is 275. That's for sure. A fake out, a quick pullback. So it did a fake out at 277. That is something. But if I'm trading a trend, I would like to trade as close to the trend as possible. As long as the trend doesn't break, it can maybe continues. But if the trend does break, oh well. Another way to improve my trading here is let my winner run. Pretty much it. Yeah, let my winner run. I entered 198. So my entry was down here. On the break of this trend. On the break of the My entry was on the break of this downtrend. It moved nicely. I was taking profits along the way, taking my small gains along the way, selling true strength, and try to maximize my profits by selling like small shares at a time. Like selling when there's like I see that there's resistance and stuff like that. A way that I can improve my trade is just let it be. Really, just let it be. If it doesn't hit my risk, just let it be. And what happened? This stock have never even touched my risk. It went all the way to 275. So I left like $25 on the table. Let's see, 275, right? Minus 198 multiplied by 50. Potential's 38.5. No, that's a panic. See, once it hit once it break the trend, a lot of people are looking to get out. So people that actually bought along the trends got out. People that bought down here started taking profits, so they also get out. And yeah, nice move though. Mid 30s, risking the mid 20s maybe. Nice 10 cents a share. So 1 to 1. So the maximum profits that I could have taken is $38. So my average sell was 225 minus 198 multiplied by 50. So I made around 13.5 minus 38.5. So I left like $25 on the table. Wasn't too bad. At least I took like a third of it. So I'm happy with it. What else is there? 225 divided by 198. So I made around 13.6%. How much was I risking? 188 divided by 198. I was risking about like 5.1%. So 5.05% I was risking around there. So this is a morning panic. It is still the morning. So this is a morning panic right here. What I want to know is how low can it go? IDEX, nice move back up to the 270s. It has a nice morning panic. This is a nice 20%. Very nice move here. Very predictable too. Why would I say that? Well, because it pretty much held support. It bounces to it dipped to support, it bounced, and a nice move at the open. This is a number 5 pattern buy. And it is an overextended stock. But it has a nice morning panic. And a nice higher low. If I missed this move, I could have entered like around here. And just take the trend into account. It's a nice move. That is something for sure. A nice move. It is still below. It is still red on the day though. So This is a 15% move right now. Can I see a hit 90 to make it like a 20% move? Putting salt on the wound. That's what I'm seeing right now. So around 20. So right now it's around like around 20%. Nice move here. Nice shorts are covering right now. I believe this is like mostly short squeezes. Can it get back to red to green? That's something to see. Red to green. Maybe a quick fake out at the 15. Just maybe, but the $3 is an area to look out for because it is an area of psychological resistance. If it breaks $3, shorts are gonna squeeze even more. Breakouts buyers are gonna come in and join the trend. MTC is back into the 250s. If I were to enter right now, it would be a chase. Really. Because I'm focusing on the dip buy. It is holding 278 support. That is something. Pre-market support. It is holding around there, but it's already made like a very parabolic move from the 250s to the 290s. So let's see. This was a 252. So 290 divided by 252. That's a 15% move. So I was wrong about the 20%, but that's a 15% move. It's a nice move there. Still, it's a move without any consolidations. So the pullback is going to be hard. It's going to be a hard pullback. Let's check AMPC. Just like its history, pre-market spiker, all day fade. That's what it's telling me. It's making constant lower highs. MTC right now is so once again, I did say that 230s was a potential area to buy because there's supports in the 220s. It moved all the way to the 250s, 260s. That's a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward. It has a nice trend. So even though my hypothesis was right here, I want to see whether it can make a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Can it? Or will it just stay at 1 to 2 risk to reward? We'll see. IDEX, something to watch based on how volatile it is. Oh yeah, YJ is another one to watch because it was the morning panic. Oh, jobless Klein. That's a bad news in the market. But it has dropped like $1 a share. $2 a share. $1 or $2 a share. Green and red. I would like to see it make its way back up, but I'm hopeful. Not gonna trade it though. MTC. What I would like to see MTC do is drop back down, but this time make it a higher low. I want to see whether it can make an ABCD. It's a very broad ABCD though. Very broad ABCD. IDEX looking like it's found its bottom. 270s area. SNDLs. Just ugly chart. MTC is coming back down. But we will see. Can it make its way? So what if I were to enter now? My entry would have been in the low 40s or the high 30s. Hopefully it doesn't break VWAP. Because what I will be looking for is a 1 to 3 risk to reward. An ABC. 1, 2, 3. We'll see. It is currently in a downtrend. That is something to watch for. Currently, it is in a downtrend. Hopefully, it doesn't break 230. It would be even better if it doesn't actually hit 230. Even if it hit 230, that would be a double bottom, but I don't think it will be as strong as a higher low. 235? Is that it? No. And it hit a double bottom, that's for sure. I don't like it. Can a double bottom bounce? It's currently in a downtrend. Can it make constant higher highs? and constant higher lows. I don't want to see a bear flag here. IDEX is in the 280s. So it's founded basis in the 270s. Right now it's in the trading in the 280s. Looking like it's gonna break 230s. And there you have it. A lower lows. Something that I did not want to see. It happened. Currently it's in a strong downtrend. I want to see what I want to see right now is a break of 190, really. Just break 190. $2 is a psychological support, but just break 190. A double top here in the 290s. Nice move from the 270s, though. But a double top in the 290s. 20 cents a share move. Currently it's traded in the 210s. MTC is currently traded in the 210s. It is making higher low. IDEX is making higher low. Maybe. Just maybe. I can enter this with 100 shares. But what I want to see is the break of the downtrend. This downtrend. I hope it does not go below 275. Even the low is 272. Okay, positive sign here. Will we have a potential ABCD? Looking like it. If I were to enter right now, I'll be entering with 50 shares. My risk? 271. I'm hopeful for a move to $3. But the goal for an ABCD is a break of the high, which is 290s. So I'll take profits up there. Hmm. Can I see a constant higher lows? The risk is 271. Hmm. I do not like where this is going, but the risk is 271. Is this going to be a descending triangle? Can this move break 286? Looking like a descending triangle, that is something that I'm seeing right now. Can I break 283? I'm selling 20 shares. I don't like what I'm seeing right now. Okay, that's a positive sign, maybe. Just maybe. Or am I just being hopeful here? Okay, 281. MTC is in the 220s right now. Yeah, I might just sell this once it hit 271. Because it's looking like a descending triangle right now. I'm getting out. Don't like it. Whatever you do next, don't care. I'm getting out. So I lost like $1 on it. I can always get in if on a better entry. It's no longer an ABC. An ABC, the ABC was right here, but it doesn't touch D. And I basically sold 20 shares at 282, pretty much break even, just to lower my risk. And I sold the next at 278 because whatever, it's looking like a descending triangle, saving myself from the risk of it dropping further. This is in the 220s. So IDEX is something to watch. Okay, switching to the screen, meaning I'm not trading anymore. So as you can see, I pretty much made a lot of orders on MTC, on my trade on MTC. Now I'm just gonna export files, November 28th, no 25th, 20, gave back profits. Let's look at a 1 day chart, 1 minute chart, MTC 1 minute chart. MTC is in a downtrend. See, this is what I'm talking about. Descending triangle. So I was right to sell. Even though it never came back not to 171, 271 right now. But I was right to sell my shares at 280 just to get rid of the potential downside. Could have sold like a bunch of my shares at the 285, 286, 285. Could have. But oh well. And I think that'll be enough trading for me today. Yeah, that's enough trading for me today. I'll just watch. YJ, nice move back up from the the four the $4. Even though it was traded sideways for like quite a while. Could make like 10% move here. Right now it's like a 20% move. Nice. Nice resumptions from the low. Potential $5 maybe? Nice. Can I see a dollar a share move? Nice, a dollar share move. Very nice. Nice break of VWAP. So how long did it take for it to actually make a this $1 move? So resume at 48, and right now it's like 22. So pretty much in like around 30 minutes. Yeah. So 20% in 30 minutes is very nice. Nicely done. A dollar shares move in 30 minutes. Where could I've where could I have entered? That is the question. I know for sure I wouldn't be comfortable with buying like this move here. And I wouldn't enter here because the risk is way too large for like a position size I want here in the 40s. For sure, an entry here would be good, but no, I don't know how to trade this one. I wouldn't trade it. Maybe at the breakouts. This is a very nice breakout at the 460 though. It's the classic breakouts of consolidations. Classic breakouts. In here, yeah, I would have been chopped out. It hit you some of these. I believe it hit you 71. No, it hit you 72. But I would probably been chopped. MTC getting lower. YJ, nice move to the 520s. Nice dollar share move here. See? SNDL, nice move from the 26 to 28. FCell, nice turnaround. YJ, nice turnover. Nice reversal. And PC, eh, it did break the downtrend. But rig, Transocean, so this is an oil play, I think. ACB, Nice break of the downtrend. Mirror. Potential move. Entry will be around here, risking the foul 9 for an ABCD. And then taking profits in the 520s or the 530s. Potential 530s. Nice 45 cents a move here. IDEX is still trading this 270, so the mental effort is not worth it now. It's downtrending. 278 is the resistance right now. Support trend resistance. The classic support trend resistance. And then it's probably the downtrend here is also going to be resistance too, so it's not worth the effort. So I was right to actually just get out. Which is good. Good move there. J-Fu. Tilray. Ooh. Nice double bottom. Nice higher lows. Nice 20 cents move. DPW. Nice trends. The break of the downtrend. KXIN. Nice morning spike. $2 a share. Nice. Or about $2 a share move. Without any consolidations, very scary. FTech still currently downtrending. WPG, English, Hexo, TRM. Ooh, don't like it. OPTT, red to green break. PEI, Sun W, currently downtrending. SLNE, Express, Icon, SNDL. Could potentially could reach 29 maybe. MTC is kind of back up. Nice uptrend. MTC has a nice uptrend there. So I lost like 70 cents on a IDEX. Overall, my P&L for today is $13. And because I was looking at my P&L, I just stopped trading. Even if the opportunity is there, just stop trading. I'm not in this psychological in the right mindset right now. There's opportunity here at MTC. Higher lows. It broke the consolidations, broke the downtrends. It's currently uptrending. So those are bullish sign. If I had to enter, I'll be waiting for it to come back down to the 20s area. Enter right here on this pullback. I like the 28 risky 18 cents. Not 18 cents, risky 10 cents. So my risk is 2 So my entry is 228, risk 2 Can I see the break of VWAP? So my entry is 228, my risk 2 So potential's goal is 258. But we'll be happy to take profits in like the 248s. Hitting VWAP again? Let's see. Still higher lows. So still in the game. 228 is 2 is my risk. Potential's target is 258. But we'll be happy to sell taking profits along the way. Potential risk is 2 So it will be a break of like the previous low. 2 is the risk. 258 is the target. The obstacle is VWAP resistance, but it's currently higher lows in uptrend, so that is something. Can I see 235 break? Okay, 235 is broken. Can I see a consolidate in the 40s? Okay, it's going to the 40s. 44. 48 is an area to take profits. Waiting, waiting. Can I see 40? Testing VWAP. Okay, it's looked like it's holding VWAP. That's a positive sign. So it hit 40. Waiting, waiting. 248 is an area to take profits. Two 44. Hmm. Let's see. SoFi shares here. So SoFi shares at 238. I have 50 shares. So 45 shares left. Sell another 5 shares and 244. Okay, so um 40 shares left. So 238, 244. And not yet. So 40 shares left. Wait for it. It's pulling back, pulling back. Can I see 46? So resistance at 45. My risk is 218. My entry is 228. So it's holding VWAP. I took a 5 shares off at 238, 5 shares off at 244. I'm holding on to 40 shares. $246? Can I see $246? Sell 5 shares here. Another 5 shares at 244. I'm holding 235 shares. 236. Okay, 246. Okay, so 5 shares at 258, 252. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 20 shares left. Not 20 shares, I have 30 shares left. So another 5 shares at 250. 25 shares left. KSC 253. Another 5 shares at 246. I have 20 shares left. KSC Mucho 260. So 20 shares left. Take off 2 shares at 247. 18 shares left. It's pulling back to VWAP. VWAP is holding. Look like it. If VWAP break, I'm getting out. So 236 is an area to get out of my 18 shares if VWAP break. It's hitting 236. 236 is holding. Can I have 18 shares left. My entry was 228. My risk was 218. Took profits along the way up. Right now I have 18 shares left. Take profits at 241. Selling that was 5 shares. So 13 shares left. If 236 break, I'll just get out. It's looking like a descending triangle. Can it make a higher low and higher highs? 242 is resistance right about now. It's consolidations right now. Bear flag. Or could it be a bull flag? Possible bull flag, maybe? And get out. 232. So all 13 shares at 232. So let's see. What was my average? It wasn't 238. It was 232. Divide by 50. Wait, did I do wrong calculations here? 238, 244, another 244. There are two 244. Okay. Divided by 50 plus 2.47 times 2 plus 2.32 times by 13 divided by 50. What? 2.417. So my average sell was 2.417 minus 2.28. So made around 13.5. And how much was that in percentage? 2.417 divided by 2.28. So that's about 6%. And how was risk to reward? So risking like 10 cents, so 0.1, 0.137 divided by 0.1. So 1 to 1.37. Not too good of a risk reward though. It's still like a 1 to 1 risk reward. A bit bigger than 1 to 1, but yeah. Maybe a potential ABCD right here. Right now I was looking for B. And how was the profits here? So around $6 on this move. 6.85. Wasn't too good of a risk reward though on this paper trade. taking taking profits along the way. Maybe could have gotten out in the 250s when it was resisting up there. Bigger averages. F sells, nice move. YJ is coming back down from the 520s. IDEX. Yeah, not worth the effort. And I believe that'll be all for trading today. So yeah, so I traded up 2 times. MTC from pre-markets to the open, and IDEX gave back like 70 cents on IDEX, gave back a small profit, small loss on IDEX. I sold when I entered on IDEX at 81, my risk was 71. I sold at 82, 20 shares just to minimize my risk. Why? Because it was downtrending. It wasn't looking like it wasn't a good chart. So made the right call there. And then I sold at 278 because it was descending triangles and I didn't want to get stuck in a flush. And I took my losses at 278. My trades on MTC was okay. I was taking profits along the way. My risk reward was about like a 1 to 2 risk reward. It was around 2 to 3, so it was around there. Um, what could have been done better was be comfortable with my positions as long as my risk is not hit. But I will take my profits along the way. Yeah, I will take my profits along the way if they're there. I should probably start taking profits in let's see. My entry was here. What I could have done was add here because it made a classic ABC, right? A, B, C. Taking profits around up on the break of the 228. My entry was 198. Wasn't too good of an entry. I first took my profits here because there was resistance in the 209, 210. And then it dropped back down. And again, I took my profits here. And I think I took some profits here. And some profits here, I think. And some profits on this move. And then like some of my profits up here. So it could be said that I took the me at the move. I'm happy to do that. So yeah. IDEX, my my entry on IDEX was for an ABCD right here. My entry was here in the the 271. No, was it the 281? My risk was 271. I entered with 50 shares. And it moved to like 286 and that's it. And then it basically dropped down, make like a higher lows, but also potentials of descending triangles, a lower highs, descending triangles, and it descended. So it wasn't worth the effort. Took cut my losses quickly here. So that's good. YJ, very nice move back from the downside. So I traded MTC and IDEX. These are the two trades and the flush. So it was right for me to get out the 278, minimizing my losses. Not being patient with my losers. And then I paper traded here around here. I paper traded on this move. My entry was 228. I think it was around here. I was risking down on the 2A chain, and I was taking my profits along the way. My average sell was the 241. Still bigger than a 1-to-1 risk reward, but wasn't the best. Could have been 2-to-1 if I actually just took most of my profits in the 250s. But it's all right. And yeah. So overall, it was okay trading today. Okay. I'm still waiting for it to show myself buy and sells here. If not, I will have to just take a screenshots here again, which wasn't ideal because I want to take the screenshot of my chart. And that'll be all. I'm closing now.